So step 1, put the ball in the ramp, rolls down the ramp. Step 2, knocks over all the books and knocks over the hammer. Step 3, the hammer pulls on the string, which then pulls the store off. And then step 4, the ball goes down the ramp. Steps 5 and 6, hits that and then hits that. Then step 7, that ball comes rolling down over here. Then step 8, it hits the hammer, knocks off the table. Step 9, pulls the lever on the fan, starts the fan. Step 10, the air from the fan inflates the bag. Step 11, the bag knocks the golf ball down here, down the ramp, comes all the way over here, and then steps 12 and 13 hits this, which hits the fish food into the bowl and feeds the fish.